Hi everyone, this is one of the most important problem in the fifth module. Okay, this is based on the Lyapunov direct method. Okay, last theory part last derivation. Okay, so this problem is based on that topic, and one more important problem is Krasowski method problem. Okay, idu direct method problem, innondu Krasowski method. Okay, there are only two problems left in this module. So today I am going to complete this problem. Okay, see, very easy and very important problem. Determine the stability of the system described by the equation. Okay, see here they have given A matrix. A matrix kottar antandra understood that this is the Lyapunov direct method. Okay, Lyapunov direct method is nothing but linear equation. X dot is equal to Ax irtೈತಿ, right? So A matrix consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, Krasowski ಒಳಗ ಜಾಕೋಬಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so A matrix ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is related to Lyapunov direct method. So that in that we have derived, right? Q matrix ಏನ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲಿ, Q is equal to A transpose P plus PA, right? So A transpose P plus PA, this order should be same. Order same ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's wrong. Okay, A transpose P at the P into A is equal to Q matrix is a negative matrix in the direct method. Okay, so minus Q have to consider. Remember, in the Lyapunov direct method, P matrix is unknown. P matrix is we are going to find that, and Q you have to assume that Q is a identity matrix. Is it clear? Q matrix is A transpose P plus PA, where Q is the identity matrix and P matrix is unknown matrix. We are going to find the P elements. Okay, see here, remember here A matrix is 2 cross 2, order is 2, hence we are considering P matrix is also 2 cross 2 matrix, and Q is the identity matrix, it is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, A matrix ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ Q ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಪಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕ್ರೊಸೋವ್ಸ್ಕಿ ಒಳಗ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಪಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ರೈಟ್? So you know that P is a symmetric matrix, right? So diagonal opposite elements are same. ಇದು P11 P22 ಇವು diagonal elements. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, P12 is equal to P21. Okay, so P12 is equal to P21. These two elements are same. So it is because it is a symmetric matrix, right? So next, illi A transpose ada. Okay, given matrix is A. Substitute here in this equation. A matrix nu transpose madri, row into column. Okay, minus 1 1 minus 2 minus 4 ಇತ್ತು, minus 2 minus 4. Okay, A transpose madri. Next P matrix bariri, plus again P matrix and A matrix. Q is identity matrix, negative identity matrix, 1 1 1 0 0 1, right? Minus multiply matrix, minus 1 0 0 minus 1, identity matrix. Okay, so P matrix find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. P elements we are going to find here. Next, multiply A transpose P multiply matrix, row into column, minus 1 into P11 plus minus 2 into P21. Okay, first element. Is it clear? Next, minus 1 into P12, minus 2 into P22, second element. Next, third element, 1 into P11 plus minus 4 into P21. Is it clear? Third element. Last element, 1 into P12 plus minus 4 into P22. Okay, plus multiply these two matrices, P row into column. Okay, P11 into minus 1. Okay, plus P12 into minus 2. Okay, next P11 into 1 plus P12 into minus 4. Okay, so whatever just you have to multiply these two matrix is equal to minus 1 0 0 minus 1. Next, add these two matrix, first element add matrix, second element, third to third, four element add matrix is equal to Q matrix, right? Next, see here, you know that P matrix is a symmetric matrix. If ಎರಡು ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, second element and third element should be same. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. P11 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ P11 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 5 P12 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 5 P21 ಅದ. 1 2 is equal to 2 1. Okay, next minus 2 P22 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ -2 P22 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ P12 is equal to P21. Substitute here. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, P12 is equal to P21 substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. First element is equal to -1, second element and third element same. ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದೇ equation. Okay, is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. One equation ಇದು, second equation. Next, last equation is equal to -1. Is it getting? First equation is equal to -1. Second and third ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವು, equal to 0 ಅದಾವು, ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ equation. Fourth element is equal to -1. That is third equation. Okay, so ಮೂರು equation ಬಂದು, ಮೂರು equation solve ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Find P11, P12, P22. ಮೂರು element. Okay, so find here no elements, right? Next, you can use the calculator or you can use the Cramer's rule right now. Okay, so Cramer's rule ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 1 1 2 1 3. Coefficient ಬರೀರಿ -2. First element, first equation -4. P22 ಇಲ್ಲ 0. Next second element 1 -4 -2, 1 -5 -2. Third equation 0. P11 ಇಲ್ಲ 0, 2 -5, 0 2 -5. Determinant ಮಾಡ್ರಿ -78. Use the calculator and find the determinant. Next ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. P11, P12, P22. P12 is equal to P21, right? So P11, delta P11 is equal to, how to write? See here, how to write the matrix? Eliminate first column. Eliminate first column by minus right side equal to right side in elements alla substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Eliminate first column by -1 0 -1. Is it clear? Next, determinant find out ಮಾಡ್ರೆ -37. Next, delta P12. Second element eliminate delta the matrix na eliminate second column by -1 0 -1. Substitute here -1 0 -1. Determinant find ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Next, delta P22. Eliminate third column by -1 0 -1. Eliminate third column by -1 0 -1. Determinant find out ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Then P11 is equal to, you will get P12 P22. This is the P matrix. Find the determinant. If it is greater than 0, it is a positive definite, hence the system is asymptotically stable. Okay.